All right, folks, today we have a 2005 BMW X5. This is a all-wheel drive little SUV, and we're going to be selling this one as a mechanic special, and you'll see why here. All right, so it's running right now, but you can see it's running a little rough, and we got the check engine light. You see our RPMs are a little low. But basically, that's kind of the issue there. So I'm going to shut this off so we don't mess it up. But anyway, that's the issue. So if you're familiar with these things, you think you can get this motor sorted out, you're going to have a solid little car, because everything else on the vehicle is in really nice shape. Check out the interior here. And of course, obviously, BMW's got all kinds of equipment in there. Interior's in good shape. Alright, here's a look here in the trunk space. Alright, so like I said, interior very, very clean. You know, not really any signs of wear and tear. There is a seat cover on the driver's seat. We'll get you guys a look at the motor here. Alright. So next thing we do is just a quick walk around of the exterior. And again, you can see very clean exterior as well. You know, it's got the alloy, BMW alloy wheels all the way around. And that's it, folks. Again, 2005 BMW X5 being sold as a mechanic special. Thanks for watching, folks. And please, if you're interested, let us know.